In the Republic of МАРИЙ, where I am from, many ladies always busy knitting and embroidering. МАРИЙ style embroidery is used on clothes and accessories. And in this video, I continue to introduce you with the talented people of МАРИЙ, who has decided to use the МАРИЙ style not only in embroidery but in knitting as well. This is her, and her name is Evgenia Koshkina. She doesn't like to waste her time, and she is knitting everywhere. She knits, I would say, everything: skirts, jackets, vests, dresses, blankets, cover for the pillows, and more. Many times she's shown her handmade knitted clothes in the fashion show. Those fashion shows were in many different countries. In Italy, she has won third place in the amateur fashion design category of the International Art and Design Competition 2018. Foundation of the Ricci Academy of Design kept her clothes for display. When she is tired of knitting and embroidering, she is designing jewelry in the МАРИЙ style. All one of a kind with no pre-planning. She surprises herself with some of her designs. Evgenia has won Caravan of Cultures online competition in Poland as a jewelry designer. Evgenia has a dream. She would like to open her own workshop where she can make beautiful and stylish jewelry in МАРИЙ style. She is sharing her knowledge with others. Evgenia is often interviewed by many different radio and TV stations. Her hard work was awarded with many certificates and prizes. She was included in the book Faces of Russia 21st Century. Finishing my video, I would like to say that Evgenia is talented in many ways. And she is one of the many treasures of the Republic of МАРИЙ. May all your dreams come true. Thank you, Evgenia, for all the photos and materials you provided for this video. Please like and subscribe. Share my video with your friends and family. With best wishes to all, Elvira from America.